It's a video that you've all been waiting for. Smacking the soles on the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button. Today's the day. Today is finally the day we're putting the soles on the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s. As you can see, they're looking pretty nice right now. We got our soles already in the last episode. If you didn't see that last video, go check that out before this. I've had, videos every single day that led up to this point, so it could kind of, anticipate it. But we are now finally here. If we apply the soles on like this, boom, looks very nice, very clean. I think I'm just gonna go with white and black, keep it a little bit different than the original one. That's what I'm personally gonna do. I think it's gonna look better and also very unique as well. So we just got ourselves a white and black sole. Looks very nice on this Travis Scott Jordan. What we're gonna do is I gotta glue inside, outside on each one. We gotta heat them up, stick them together. From there, we'll take the last right out. We'll hand stitch this bad boy onto the sole. From there, we're pretty much all done. So from right now, what I gotta be doing, as I said, I gotta glue this up, get it all ready, get it all prepped. We're gonna apply it. You're gonna see me wear my gloves and my hammer again. Hammer it all down, get it all ready. As you can see, it is nice and flat. I did that in a previous video. If you wanna go check that out, not too bad. We got to get rid of those black laces or the blue laces because these things are So I think I'm gonna go get pink lace as well today. So hopefully the store has a light pink because we can't get no dark pink. That would look really weird. So we got to get some light pink ones, maybe some white ones, maybe some black ones. I think I already have brown ones, so we could play around with colors for right now. But what I'm gonna go do is glue these bad boys up, heat them up, hammer them on, and then we'll be back here to hand stitch it on. So I'm back at the office. We got ourselves the box right here. They're all finished, all glued up, ready to go. As you can see, they're looking very nice, very clean. I'm super happy with how they turned out. All we got to do now is stitch the sole on, kind of re-glue some of the area so the sole is fully on. But for right now, we get a little clean view on the side. We'll wrap around to the front or the other side. The back. They're looking very nice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw the other shoe to the side. The other shoe looks the same, so not worried about that right now. As you can hear, that's very heavy, but I'm gonna slowly start taking these laces off. So this shoe wasn't too bad, especially with this heavy leather. I pushed the camera back, so now we got our shoe all ready. I'm gonna start taking off the laces. I'm a big fan of this heavy leather. This heavy leather is definitely the move for the future for some other customs that I'm gonna be doing. I don't know why, but for some reason this heavy leather, it was really nice to work with, really easy. It's not very ideal for most shoes if you're gonna go this heavy, but for this shoe, I really liked it, especially how the color turned out. Got my post over there, so I'm gonna pull the last right out right now, but I just gotta pull all these laces out first. We gotta get some nice laces going on. Maybe go to a different store. So I went by some stores on the way here and no one had light pink laces, so I might have to order those on the internet. Who knows? But for right now, we could go with black laces. We could go with white laces. I think, as I said earlier, I have brown laces sitting around here, so I could go with that as well. But I'm getting to the last strand right here. I got my post, so we're gonna be taking the last right out. I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna, whoopsies, gonna post it, boom, right there. So, very simple. We got our Travis Scott. We're gonna pull the tongue right up. Do the magic. Hopefully we got all the nails out of there. Push that off to the side. And we got ourselves a Travis Scott Jordan 1. Woo! That thing is clean. So, Now that these bad boys are done, look at that. It looks so great, especially with the light on it. They're looking pretty cute. So they're all done. What we need is a white stitch on the midsole. So as usual, we're gonna hand stitch that bad boy with the hand owl. If you want that tool, it's down, links in the description if you want that tool. But for right now, we're gonna get ourselves some of the white thread. I'm gonna go with white thread for the midsole. We're gonna stitch that bad boy on, and before you know it, they're gonna be all finished. Before I stitch this bad boy on, make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the future builds. We're gonna be doing a lot of cool stuff just like this, so make sure to turn on notifications. It really helps out the channel, and let's get right to it. So we're putting in the last 2 stitches right now. It is coming along very nicely. So we're gonna get the second to last one. There we go. And the last one after this. I just gotta put in the insole after this. Gotta put the laces in, put the shoe tree in, and it's all finished. So here we go. Here's the last one right here. We'll just throw this bad boy in, boom. We'll pull that out. Loop it like that. We'll pull the thread on the inside, pull it out like that. We gotta pull it from the outside of the sole all the way to the inside. So pull that all the way out. So now we got our thread, as you can see, in there. What I'm gonna do is tie these together. So just tie the knot real quick. Tie it down. I'll adjust the camera for you so you can see it now. We're gonna tie this. I'm gonna do 1 knot. 1 knot. Double knot. 1 more knot. And there we go. Cut these bad boys. There we go. Throw that off to the side. We got ourselves our insole, just standard black. We'll take the sizing off, put that to the side. So they're all ready. This came out of the midsole. There we go. So boom, we got a nice clean insole right in there. From here, we're gonna flap this around, stretch it out like that. We'll put that off to the side. From here, we just gotta lace the old girl. We're gonna go with black laces for right now. That's what I got. That's brand new at the moment. We're just wrapping up on the lacing now. As you can see, we're just getting to the very last 2. So what I'm gonna do, put the laces in like that. From here, we're gonna get the shoe tree. So it's not hard to get in there. We're just gonna slide that all the way to the front. There we go. We got ourselves a very nice Jordan. Now we're just gonna lace up the front 2, the top 2. So I'm just gonna throw those bad boys in. Boom, there we go. We just need 1 more. And I'll just do the second one just because. I'll do the top, very, very top. So we're gonna flatten those laces, and I'm not going to tie them. I'm just gonna have them leaving, hanging here, baby. And this is pretty much it. These are the Air Jordan Travis Scotts. They came out very nice, very clean. I am super happy how they turned out. They are very simple yet, you know, very nice. I'm super happy, especially with how the brown is. I think they're just such a simple colorway, yet it came out so nice and so clean. So they're all finished. Let me know what you think. Comment down below what you think. They came out very nice. We got ourselves a nice clean box right there. Oh baby, there we go. We're gonna zoom it all the way around. We'll go on the other side. Looks very nice, very clean. I'm super happy with how they turned out though. This was my Travis Scott Air Jordan 1. Comment down below what you think. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, check out all my other videos. Comment down below what you think about these. Also comment down what video you want to see next. We're going to be making lots of Jordans very soon, so comment down what type of Jordan, what colorway, what stuff you want to see me make in the future, because now that this is done, we got a new project that's coming up in the very future, so I'm very excited. But thanks for watching and have a great day.